You know defeating the fields while stacking a small account in every strategy seems to fall flat. If you have been there, this video is for you. Today we'll walk you through the exact approach that helped me break it through and it could help you too. Let's start with that together, guys, on this video. $32. Trust me, what is coming at the end of the video is worth the wait. Don't miss it. Let's go with that, guys. We're gonna use Heiken Aroon candle and M1 strategy on this. Aroon and CCI. For Aroon, we're gonna use 28. That's the color. Alright, color is up to you guys. You want to use that same. CCI 17 and now unselect background. Okay. So we have all these setups. $32 as I said. M1 expiration time. And we're ready to go to start with this one. Let's go with that. Alright, guys. For all those who are interested through box option, the platform was recent link will be in the description of the video. Now let's move on to the detailed developments for the metals and why I just choose that sell button. I'll tell you straight up, it's very good moment to open a position of that. Why? On the downside, first of all, as I already told you, I traded with subcurrent pair where the candles move slowly and steadily. This is a station fact for this metal, and if we see a higher profit hit. When you take a look at the placement for the Heiken Aroon this, we got this high point, we got the crossing line for the Aroon with the white line, and we got the curvature on CCI that's pointed down. And we'll take a look on the placement that we just need to enjoy this one. I will try to elaborate more on this. All this schema trading indicator side, and I paid special attention in the next trades, right? $28, guys. Look at that. K45 in the total. What I have shown here is only of the pieces of the puzzle. If you want to reach the pro level, you need to master most profitable strategy out here. The good news, I create 2 special resources just for you. You stay tuned into the video and grab them. Let's to the next one. Alright, guys, of course, we continue to trade on the same pair. Okay, that's good, an opportunity, good downtrend. First of all, because of the indicator signal, have no chance for the worst, right? And on the contrary, if you look at the blue line on the CCI, it's just get the channel position and how to start to moving to the close in the channel, just out of the channel and get in the channel. This is very good signal and watch carefully for such signal. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. If I have also the red and the white lines for the arrow crossing with each other, okay, and these 2 signals should happen out in combination with each other, CCI and arrow. That is the mandatory. And everything is going to break for the way, guys, at this time right now, 4 seconds. And look at this. I just won again, and that's $37. 6-3 in the total, man. That's pretty good. Alright, man. So last to the next one. We can try this again. Alright, guys, I just changed the pair. I just said in the previous one that I used the same, but I just decided to change that, okay? Here, open the position again in the downward direction. One of the positive aspects of this metal is that I can up to 3 trades in a row on the one current pair. That's up to you. Or just increase the value. It's the same thing, all right? If you want to use $20, you can use $60 in a row. But that's just the same thing, all right? Of course, If you recognize candles and indicator signals, allow me to do so. I always want to tell you that such moments are not so frequent. I have to look for good moments for a long time, and sometimes it's easy for me to stuck on one pair. But when I find a good moment, guys, the trades flowed positive, get some profits. In some case, I open the position that's pretty good. All right, look at this again, $6-7. 95 in the total in my account, almost 96. That's a great win, guys. Great win. All right. So let's try to identify our last position or our last entry for the next one. Let's go with that. Okay. And look at this guy. That is an opportunity for an uptrend that I really want to show you. And I got this opportunity right now. And I already told you, I pay special 10 to the red line on the arrow and crossing with each other. That's important. I was in combination with the blue line or the red line for the CCI when I just got a buying position as like this. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. This is another good moment, so pay attention on these two indicators. And it's such a downtrend or an uptrend, that's the same thing. For an uptrend, the most important thing that is lower, it does have a slight downside, as you can see this. And then the market started to up again, or like as a revert, which is good for me. And for these metals, for these moments, these candles trading up, just going that. And look at this, just got this again, $128 in the total my account, guys. I think it is going deuce. That's pretty good. Cool. I really like this metal, guys, and I hope you're learning a lot of like this metal as well. For as you can see, the video trend is very risky and at the moment, so pay attention. And you should always look at analysis. This is a risk, and either is it worth that risk or not depends only you. So before you start trading, keep a device in mind, guys. Okay. My videos only for education and natural. So actually right now, let's go with that. Bye bye.